Hey everyone, so looking at my transmission right now, and today is the big day. I get to finally put my transmission back in again after it's been set in neutral the way it should be. But first I'm gonna have to take the shifter off, and because it's kind of hard to manage to put the transmission in when the shifter is in the way. So I'm going to take this off, slide it up. Just go ahead and slide it up through here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but it'll just make it easier, like, to manage and stuff and get the transmission in there. But yes, I have been waiting a long time for this day, and it's going to happen. It's going to happen today. So hopefully everything works out well. At the end of this video, my truck will be cranked up. And look at that, all these spider webs. This is why I just need to get my truck out of here. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this started. I'm going to take this knob off. That's the only way for it to go up into the well, you saw there's like the hole right there. So I'm gonna put the rod of the shifter through there, and then I gotta screw the knob back on so it doesn't fall back through, and then it just makes it easier to manage from there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. So I'll catch with y'all later when I get the transmission in. I'll let y'all know. I'll show another recording of that. But yeah. Hey everybody, so the process of the truck is going good. Got the transmission installed, and then I had a little friend scare me. Look what is sitting right there. A black snake. Oh yes. Hey everyone, so transmission got installed. I had a good friend to come over here and help me take care of some of the stuff. I'm sorry I didn't show y'all the transmission underneath. I'll show y'all that later. But here it is. I'm about to do the crank up on it. And then if all goes well, I'm going to back the truck out of the shop. Here we go. Alright, here we go again.